Want to unlock your brain's hidden power and literally grow rich while you sleep? Today, I'm breaking down the key principles and exercises from Ben Sweetland's classic that shows you exactly how to do it. The very first and most powerful idea is this: you are a mind with a body attached, not a body with a mind attached. Your mind is the driver. When you fully understand this, you realize that controlling your mind means controlling your reality, your success, your wealth, your happiness. Sweetland explains two parts of your mind: the creative mind, which is open, receptive, and works even when you sleep, and the critical mind, which is judgmental and logical. To truly grow rich, you need to bypass your critical mind and communicate directly with your creative subconscious. Autosuggestion is one of the most powerful tools Sweetland teaches. This means repeating positive, specific statements to yourself, especially right before sleep. For example, I am attracting wealth and abundance every day. My mind is a magnet for creative ideas that lead to financial success. Because your subconscious absorbs suggestions best during the twilight state, right before you drift off to sleep, this is when autosuggestion becomes most powerful. Sweetland lays out 6 exercises that train your mind to think success and attract wealth. Here are the core ones. First, creative visualization. Spend a few minutes daily imagining yourself living your dream life: wealth, freedom, success. See it, feel it, believe it. Next, concentration practice. Train your mind to focus on a single goal or image without distraction. The stronger your focus, the stronger your subconscious programming. Third, mental affirmations. Repeat your positive autosuggestions aloud or silently every day. Fourth, relaxation and sleep technique. Learn to relax your body and mind deeply, preparing your creative mind to work overnight. Fifth, mental rehearsal. Imagine solving problems or overcoming obstacles before they happen, so your subconscious prepares the solutions. And sixth, developing faith and confidence. Build unwavering belief that your goals are achievable. Faith supercharges the subconscious mind. Sweetland compares your subconscious to fertile soil. Whatever you plant, whether positive ideas or doubts, will grow. So if you want success, wealth, and happiness, plant positive thoughts, strong beliefs, and clear goals. During sleep, your conscious mind rests, but your creative mind keeps working, connecting dots, solving problems, and reinforcing your beliefs. That's why the right mental habits before bedtime, autosuggestions, visualizations, affirmations, can literally grow your riches while you sleep. Modern neuroscience confirms what Sweetland said decades ago. The subconscious mind governs about 95% of your thoughts, habits, and actions. Reprogramming your subconscious with positive, goal-oriented thoughts changes your behavior and outcomes without conscious effort. Here's a quick challenge. Tonight before you sleep, close your eyes and repeat this 3 times, slowly and with feeling. I am attracting opportunities that increase my wealth every day. My mind is focused, creative, and confident. Do this for a week and watch how your mindset and your results start to shift. If you want to unlock your mind's true power, Grow Rich While You Sleep is a must-read. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind and money mastery tips.